Hey, what's going on, guys? Dean here with you. In this video, I'm going over the latest analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, so we have really not had much going on today in the way of price action. We actually did get a small breakout of our falling wedge pattern. So yesterday, we were talking about how this could be a potential falling wedge pattern right here. And we did get a small breakout. We came back down for a retest. And we did come back up to our 0.382 on a Fibonacci and did get a retest right there. And of course, you can see we did get rejected and we have come back down for a bounce. And then we're currently consolidating a little bit sideways right there. But over here on our coin market cap, you can see that most of the coins, excuse me, Bitcoin and everything else is down today. We're currently down about 2.9, almost 3% on the daily. All right, so pretty much every coin right now is in the red right now. But over here, back on our chart, of course, we were talking about how we could potentially see a bullish breakout out of here. We do want to see us get right above, we do want to break above our old high right here and make higher highs if we do want to see our pattern play out. If we can get a bullish breakout and come all the way up here, our target would be right around the 52.19 area. We'll have to wait and see how that does play out, but that would be our target if we can get all the way up there. All right, so zoom a little bit out over here on our chart. All right, so we go over here to our hourly chart. All right, in the last couple of videos, I know we have covered this a little bit, but we are currently consolidating into a pattern right here. So I do believe I have about another day or two before Shiba decides on which direction it wants to go, whether we will break out bullish or if we will continue to consolidate and maybe break out bearish down here. We'll have to see how that does play out, though. But I don't believe we'll have much volatility in the market the next couple of days. I do believe we'll just be continuing to consolidate. We do have this major line of support right here as well that we could actually come back down and retest. Of course, if we do come back down here and retest it, won't necessarily be a bearish thing. We do just want to maintain above this level as well. But I do believe next couple of days we will just continue to consolidate right here and not have any major price action. All right, and I have seen some YouTubers, of course, some people are turning a little bit more bearish. They are long-term bullish, but short-term bearish. I have seen a couple people say that we could actually come back down and actually retest this level down here. So if we do break bearish out of here and consolidate and continue to make lower lows, we could potentially come back down to this major level of support right here. That is around the 30.22 area. That is possible if we do break down here and continue to make lower lows, but we'll do have to see how that does play out. Of course, of the opposite, we could actually make a higher high and do break out of here and break out bullish, but as yet to be determined. All right, so let's head back over to our 15-minute chart and check out our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so currently on our 15-minute chart, the RSI is currently around the, let me zoom in a little bit. We're currently around the 549 area on our RSI. The stochastic has come up. We are currently around the 70 area. We can go a little bit higher before we're in the overbought territory, but it looks like we could be heading back down for a retest here shortly. All right, so we could, again, we could come back up here and get a bounce and then come back down and head for a retest. Let's head back over here to our hourly chart. All right, over here on our hourly chart, the RSI is right around the 36 area right now. Stochastic did come up. We did get a little bit of bounce. Right now we are pointing slightly towards the downside, so we could come back down here. And if we do break this trend line right here, we could be heading back down to somewhere in this area. And if we do break through, then we'll probably come back down to this yellow trend line right here. That is around the 39.55 area. All right, over here on our 4-hourly chart, all right, we are currently around the 37 area. Stochastic has come all the way back down. We are currently around the right around the 4 area. So I do see next couple hours we should get a little bit of a bounce heading up this direction, hopefully. All right, over here on our daily chart. All right, our RSI is right around the 44 area. As you see, we did get a bounce right here. We could come back down for another bounce and hopefully consolidate and then bounce back up off of here. The stochastic is pointing a little bit downward on our daily chart. We could, of course, see a little bit of a correction coming in right here. Of course, go back over to our 15-minute chart. All right, so short term, I do think we could see a little bit more bearish price action. Next couple of days, of course, we can consolidate sideways and maybe even make some lower lows. Potentially come back down to this area right here. That's another major level of support. That is around the 39.46 area. And of course, if we do break through that area, then long term, we could come back down to this area down here that we just went over. This is around the right around the 30.30 area down here. That would be another bearish target we could look at long term. But right now, again, as I repeated a little bit earlier, I don't think we'll see any major price action in the next couple of days. I do believe we will continue to consolidate through here, and then we'll kind of see which direction Shiba might be heading. But I don't think we'll see anything major going on. But that's just a quick update for today. I'm sorry that's not anything more interesting, but there's not a whole lot going on in the market right now. But I'll try to keep you guys updated as things progress and if we see anything more going on. And as always, I appreciate guys taking the time out of your day to watch these videos. And please make sure you do like and subscribe. And I appreciate all the new subscribers that are coming in and also those that have been around since day one. And as always, I'll see you guys next video and have a good evening and take care. Thanks.